Hello, this is the 2015 AMC 10B number 11. Among the positive integers less than 100, each of whose digits is a prime number, one is selected at random. What's the probability that the selected number is random? Okay, so we have, out of the 100 numbers, we're taking a number that both of its digits, there, I hope that's more legible. So you have 100 numbers, so we are taking all the prime numbers and we're putting them together. And what's the probability that those digits, so we have 3 and 7 and blah blah blah, and the as single digit prime numbers. Now we are putting those together. So let's say we choose 2 and 3, so we'd have the number 23. So what's the chance that 23 is prime out of all of those? It's a question that you might have to read a few times to really understand. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find the prime numbers from 1 through 10 or 1 through 9, really same thing in this case. It's these. So that means that out of the 2 digits, which would be from 10 through 100, all those numbers, there are going to be 16 numbers, right? Because we're going to have 22, 23, 25, 27, 32, 33, 35, 37, 52, 53, 55, 57, 72, 73, 75, and 77. Okay? And there are also going to be 4 one-digit numbers. Okay? So that gives you a total of 20 numbers. So out of these total 20 numbers, we need to find how many of those are prime. Well, first we know that the 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime, and then this really is just tough stuff over you'll find a little bit of tricks on the way, but you really have to just check every number sort of way. 23, I can tell off the bat that that's prime. 25, no. Anything that ends in a 5 is not going to be. So I can cross off the 5s. So we have 23, 27 divisible by 9 and 3. 32, that is an even number, so we also know that it's not going to end in 2. 33, that is by 11. 37, that is good. I'm going to write 37 over here. Now 52, no, because it's even. 53, yes, that does work. Again, this should be a little self-explanatory. You should know numbers well enough so that you don't have to think too hard about this. 55, no, divisible by 5. 57. 57, I do not think so. Let me think. What's 57 divisible by? 56 is fine. 57. 57 has to be divisible by something. I'm sure it is. It's divisible by 3. Okay. Yeah, it's because 60 is 3 times 20, so it's 3 times 19. Okay, so that one was a bit tricky, but, just work it out as best you can. Sometimes you can get stuck. Just go through. 72, it's even. 73, that looks prime. 75 ends in a 5. 77, divisible by 11. As you already saw, if the 2 digits are the same, then that's also not going to be prime. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 solutions out of all the 20 options that we can choose from, and we could divide this by 4 over 4, which is again divided by 1, so it doesn't actually make a difference. That gives you 2/5. So the answer to this question is 2/5. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.